which is the most difficult multiplication table? Nine? Okay. I'll tell you what it is. It is actually 7. You know why? If you know 2's table, you can double it and find 4. You can double that and find 8. If you know 3, you can find 6 and 9. And 10 table is very easy to do. 5 table is half of that. But 7 is a prime number. Okay? We have not learned prime numbers, but 7 is a prime number. And it is not very easy to figure out what is 7's multiples. Okay? So today we'll try to see if we can make it easy for us. Okay? Okay. So now we have written all of them. Okay? Now I'll take 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is, there are 7 blocks in this. 7 into 1 is 7. Now, we have to, when we double that, 7 into 2. Okay, that would be how much? How much do you think that would be? 1, 4. Okay, so you know 7 doubles, right? 7 into 2 is 14. Now what I will do is, I will put 10 such blocks. Okay, this is 7 into 10. Okay, Shriram, how much would that be? 7, 0, 70. Okay, we found one more in this table. 70. Now, 7 into 5 we'll try to figure out. This half of this. Okay, I'll remove half of this. Half of this. Okay. Okay, this is the half of 70 is, okay, I'll tell you, half of 60 is 30. Okay, half of 70 will be 35. Yes. So we found out one more number in this table. 35. Now all that missing numbers, right, we can figure out based on these. So let's start with 7 into 3. So we have 7 into 2. We have 7 into 1. So what is 7 into 3, Shriram? This and this. Can you combine? What should you do with both of them? 7 into 3. You should add them. So 14 plus 7. Now I have your 100 chart, okay, to make it easy for you to point. We are adding, we are at 14, we add 7 more to it. How much do you think we'll get? 21, see? 21. So 7 into 4, what would that be? 7 into 4. Can you find out with this? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What will you do with any of this? So Shriram, we did 7 into 3. Now we are doing 7 into 4. How do you think we can find 7 into 4? Okay, you can show me here. D, O, U, B, L, E. Double of which of these? Double of which of these? This, that. Okay. So double of this. So I'll add 2 more. Okay. 2 more. Okay. So what will this be now? 14 plus 14. Yeah. 14. So we have 14 here. If you add one more 14 to it, we will be at 28. Yeah, because you learned doubling, right? 14, 28. Now 7 into 6. What can we do? We know 7 into 5 is 35. So let me put 7 into 5. 35. So how much more will you add to make 7 into 6 to this? How much more will you add? You can take any color. Okay, you want that one? Okay. Okay. So we added 7 into 5 plus 7 more. So we have 35 here and we added 7 more. So what will you get? 42. Yes. Okay. Now 7 into 7. So we have 7 into 5. Okay, I'll keep it back so you can figure out. 7 into 7, what will that be? How much more should you add? Okay, take. Okay. Nice. So 7 into 5 is 35. You added. So what is this? What are these two, by the way? That will be double of 7, right? 14. So 35 plus 14 will be 49. Yes. And 7 into 7 is a square number. Right? Now 7 into 8. So there are two ways to do this. You know, one easy way is, I'll show you. Okay? We can get all 10. 7 into 10 is 70, you say. So we can subtract something from this to get 7 into 8. What will you do, Sriram? How much will you subtract? Okay, that I'll remove then. That I'll remove. Okay. 7 into 10 minus 14. Okay, so what will you get? 70 minus 14? 56. That's nice. Now the last number. This is easier than that. See, you have 7 into 10. Now you have to remove something to make it 7 into 9. How much will you remove? Yes, that one will you remove? Okay. Any more? Any more? No. Yes or no? You want to remove any more? No. Okay. So 7 into 9 is 70 minus 9. 70 is here. 70 minus 9 will be 63. Yes. So see, now we got our table of 7.